Okay, just wait 2 minutes, then we will start the session. I think you are getting my voice. You are getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have given you just few minutes ago the number that is 36, and we want to know the nines complement of this 36. So from here 99 minus 36 first. So here it is 3 and it is 6, 63. Okay, so the BCD representation is 0 0 1 1, and this is 0 1 1 0. Okay, so you can write the BCD representation, that is 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. This left side 0 you can neglect. Okay. Okay, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we will move further, that is the tens complement. Okay, so how we will get the tens complement of any BCD number? Okay, so suppose first, at this moment you know how to calculate or how to get the nines complement. So from the nines complement you can get the tens complement also. There is just one step added. Okay, so suppose you have a BCD number. Suppose here I have written here 12. Okay, so first our aim is to know the nines complement. Okay, so one thing I have forgot to mention you that I have told you here, this is 36 decimal number actually. So actually in your exam you can also get like that, this is a BCD number, but binary subtraction, this decimal BCD number, suppose it is BCD number, in that case you will treat as a decimal number. Okay, so if the 12 is BCD number, for subtraction we will calculate as a decimal. So now first we will know what is the nines complement of this 12. So this is 9 minus 2, 7. This is 9 minus 1, 8, 87. Okay, so this is the ninth complement. Okay, so now our aim is to get the tens complement. To get the tens complement, just add 1. So this is 7 plus 1, 8, and this is 8. So this is the tens complement, but it is not in BCD form. So BCD form it is 1 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 0. So this is the actual answer. Okay, so this is the tens complement in BCD form. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
सर यहाँ पे जो बोल रहे थे 12 बीसीडी है या डेसिमल है क्या इसमें? अगर
हम
इसमें
बोल रहे
क्या बोल रहे थे यहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आया।
अच्छा, हम बोल रहे थे तुम जब एग्जाम में तुमको ये भी दे सकता है 12 डेसिमल बोल के, ये भी तुमको दे सकता है 12 बीसीडी बोल के. Suppose in your exam paper you will get like that 12 is as a BCD number. Okay, so to know the nines complement, this BCD number you will treat as a decimal number. Okay,
ओके सर।
okay, so after that you just do here subtraction and you will get the nines complement, and then to get the tens complement you just add 1, and here we are getting 88. So 88, we are in the last slide we have just written in the BCD form, that is 1 0 0 and 1 0 0. It is the tens complement of this 12. Suppose here I am giving you 46. So tell me what is the tens complement of this BCD number, that is 46. Here I am getting the responses. Okay, so I am doing just 1 minute. So first we have the number that is 46. So our aim is to get the 9th complement. Okay, so first is 46. So it is 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 4, 5, 53. This is the 9th complement. Now just add 1. So it is 54. So in BCD form, that is 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 0. So you can omit or neglect this number also. So it is that is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is the 10th complement of this number. I think it is clear for all of you. It is clear, or is there any doubt for how to get the 10th complement?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So next topic we will discuss, that is the BCD subtraction. So for the case of BCD subtraction, mainly we are using the 9th complement and 10th complement. Okay. So today actually we will discuss only the 9th complement. In the next class we will discuss how we will do the BCD subtraction using the 10th complement. Okay. So I am erasing these things. BCD subtraction using 9 complement. Here there are some rules for this procedure. Okay, so I am here writing the rules. Says you just note in your copy. Okay, actually whenever you will do this BCD subtraction using a 9th complement, in that cases each and every rules will be implemented. So first take 9th complement for subtrahend. Next is add it to the minuend using BCD addition. Next point, that is if the result is invalid BCD, then correct by adding 6. Number 4, shift the carry to new bits. And number 5, if in around carry generated then add it to the result. So these are the 5 steps to do the BCD subtraction using 9's complement. First one is the takes 9's complement for subtrahend. Second one is the add it to the minuend using BCD addition. Third one is the if the result is invalid BCD, then correct by adding 6. Fourth one is the shift the carry to new bits. And fifth is the if end around array generated, then add it to the result. Okay, now your first questions are what is subtrahend and what is minuend. Okay, so I am erasing these things. You just note these steps, because without these steps or without maintaining these steps, you cannot do the BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Okay, so I am erasing these things. Just give me few seconds to erase. Okay, so what is subtrahend and what is minuend? Suppose x minus y. So in that case, suppose we are considering here x minus y. So here this is y is subtrahend and x is minuend. Okay, so actually for this concept, we are taking one subtraction like 98.3 minus 81.2. So in that case, 81.2 is the subtrahend and 98.3 is the minuend. Okay, so the first process or first rule for the BCD subtraction using 9's complement is the take 9's complement for subtrahend. So what is the subtrahend here? I have written here. What is the subtrahend? What is the value of subtrahend? Hello. I am asking students, what is the value here? The subtrahend. What is the subtrahend value?
81.2.
Yeah, I am getting only one response from Anuj. But at this moment, there are 23 students in this class. So 81.2. The first step is take the 9's complement for subtrahend. So 99.9 minus 81.2. This is 7, this is 8, and this is 1. So 18.7, this is the 9's complement. So next step is add it to the minuend using BCD addition. So first I will write here, suppose yeah, 18.7 in BCD form. BCD form, it is the, just 1 minute. It is 0 0 0 1. This is for this one. Again, this is here 8. 8 means 1 0 0 0. Point 7. 7 means 0 1 1 1. Next is minuend. What is the value for minuend here? What is the value for minuend here?
98.3.
98.3. So we are now presenting 98.3 in BCD. So it is 1 0 0 1. This is 1 0 0 point 0 0 1 1. Now we will add. So here you can see 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1. So this is 1 plus 1 plus carry 1. So it is 1. Carry 1. So 1 plus carry 1. So this is 0. And this is 0 plus 0 plus carry 1. So this is carry 1. Next bit, that is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. Here 1 plus 1, this is 0, but here the carry 1. But here one thing you should remember, this carry 1, at this moment we are getting this carry 1 because 1 plus 1, this is 0 carry 1. This carry 1 is not added to the next bit. This bit is for, this is different and this is different. Okay, so this is carry 1. Again here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 0. Carry 1. So 0 plus 0 plus carry 1. So this is 1. 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Till now it is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
सर
No.
यहाँ पे बीच में जो एक कैरी वाला हुआ
हाँ.
है, ये एक बार और explain
हाँ
कर
बोल
दीजिए।
रहे, यहाँ पर 18.7, यहाँ पर 98.3, यहाँ पर कितने डिजिट है? फॉर 18.7 यहाँ पर कितने डिजिट है? 3, 1, 8 and 7. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for one bit in BCD there is 4 bit, one digit 4 bit. For 1 we have written here 0001. For 8 it is 1000. For 7 it is 0111. Again for 98.3 it is for 9 it is 1001. For 8 it is 1000, and for 3 it is 0011. It is clear, I think, till now whatever I have said.
Yes, sir.
Now we start adding. So here 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1. So 1 plus 1 plus carry 1. So it is 1. We have carry 1. So 1 plus carry 1. So it is 0. And we have carry 1. So this is 0 plus 0 plus carry 1. So this is 1. So here there is no, at this moment, just when we are actually adding 7 plus 3, here this part, so we are getting here 4 bit. There is no carry. Okay, just we are considering the last part. Okay, now the second bit from I am uh, telling a second bit from right to left. Okay, so here the second bit, that is here 8. For the case of 18.7 it is 8, and for the case of 19.3 it is also 8. So here 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, this is 0, 0 plus 0, this is also 0, but this is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 0, but we have carry 1. It is clear? It is clear up to this. This is 1 plus 1, 0, but we have carry 1. Till now it is okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
But one thing, this is different bit, and this is for different bit, and this carry 1 is not added to the next bit. Next bit, here you cannot add like 1 plus 1 plus carry 1. Okay, so in that case I have just mentioned here 1. This is the carry 1 for this 1 plus 1. Okay, so ये छोड़कर ये तुम छोड़ दो यहाँ पर carry 1. Again you just add this 1 and this 9. So 1 plus 1, this is 0, carry 1. So 0 plus 0, we have carry 1, so this is carry 1. 0 plus 0, this is 0, 0 plus 1, this is 1. It is clear now? It is clear or not? हेलो
सर क्लियर है, पर यहाँ पर जो कैरी 1 लिखे हैं इस सर्कल करके, तो उसको यहाँ लिखना है या नहीं लिखना?
लिखना है, हम बोल रहे हैं लिखना है, ठीक है, ये खत्म नहीं हुआ अभी भी, ठीक है, हेलो, ठीक है, अभी देखो
Yes, sir.
ये कैरी 1, ये तुम पकड़ोगे तो for the second digit we are getting 5 bit, actually 10000, okay, and this is 1010, and this is 1010. Okay, now we will actually हर एक हम बीट को देखेंगे, जो बीट 9 से ज्यादा होंगे वो हमको इनवैलिड बोला जाएगा यहाँ पर. So this is 1010 means it is greater than 9. It is greater than 9 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is greater than 9. So in that case, again this is here we have 5 bits, that is 10000. It is also greater than 9. Hello. And the last bit, that is 1010, it is also greater than 9. It is 10. So for each bit we will add 6, okay, in BCD form. So here this is 0 1 1 0. Again this is 0 1 1 0. Again this is 0 1 1 0. Now add. Okay, so here actually adding 6 here. So here this is 0, this is 1 plus 1 means 0, carry 1. So this is 0 plus 1, 1 plus carry 1. So this is 0, we have carry 1. So this is this is 1 plus carry 1. 1 plus carry 1 means 0. Again we are getting here 1. Okay, it is not added in the next bit. So now this is the next is 0 plus 0, 0 0 plus 1, 1 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 0 0 again this is 1. Okay, next this is 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 1, so it is 0 carry 1, so 0 plus 1 1 plus carry 1, so it is 0. Okay, we have carry 1, so 1 plus carry 1, so again it is 0, and we have carry 1. The addition, this addition, it is clear or not? This addition is clear or not? Hello, I am asking you, student.
clear.
But one thing, in the last steps, when we added two number, we got one carry, and this number is invalid BCD. That's why we added 6 in each term. Okay, now again we are getting carry. When the 6 is added, after that you will again get carry. So in that case, the carry is shifted to the new bits. So this one is carried to the this bit, and this one is shifted to new bit, and this is called the end around carry. I have mentioned one step that if end around carry generated, then add it to the result. So this end around carry is shifted this bit. Okay, so the actual result that is here, this one is shifted here. So this is 1, this is 0 0 0, this one is shifted next bit. So this is point, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0. Okay, now this one is shifted to the next bit. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. So this is the BCD representation. Now this is 000 1 0 111.001. So from this you can easily write this is 17.1. So here 0001 means 1, and here 0111 means 7, and 0001 means 1. Okay, so this is the BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Is there any doubt? So it is clear or not? You can check here. 3 minus 2 means 1, 8 minus 1 means 7, 9 minus 8 means 7. So this is okay. Is there any doubt? Or I will, if you have any doubt, again I will explain it again.
Sir, explain through new examples, sir. The process is
Okay.
difficult.
Okay, process is difficult. Okay, so suppose okay, just 1 minute. At this moment there is only 4 minutes, so all the participants are requested to put your name in the chat box for second session attendance. Actually, only 4 minutes left. So if I start again to repeating this type of example, and I think I will not cover within 4 minutes. Okay. So I think at this moment I will stop for today. In the next class, definitely I will give you one example at first for the BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Then we will move forward for the next topic. Okay. Actually, you have a one class, I think, in tomorrow session. Tomorrow, I think you have a one class for digital electronics. So can I explain it in the next class with different example? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in the next class, in the tomorrow class, I will definitely give you another example of this type of BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Okay. Okay, so thank you,
sir.
class. Thank you, class, for your participation. I think you are enjoying. You are getting the concept from this class. It is interesting or not? I hope I will get the honest reply. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am ending this session. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Very interesting.